you know that WWDC happened. We got iOS 27 beta, and yeah, I'm downloading it right now, and we're gonna get into it. Focus. Bruh. Guys, it's almost done, and I like to show you a bug and see if it's fixed. You can tap in here. So if I do, yeah, it's buggy. It's buggy already. So if you do this and quickly go click on the home icons, it just resprings. Well, that is a famous problem from the start of iOS 26, so I think they had to fix it. Oh, it's verifying, oh my god. Wake up. If you've been sleeping the whole time, wake up. It cannot focus, no! No, focus. Oh, gosh, man. He just broke my phone. Oh my god. We'll have to wait. There was a little storage, so. Oh! Do you see the Apple logo flash? Also, the screen is kind of on. Oh! We're updating! We did it, guys! It's successfully downloaded, and we're now updating to iOS 27. Well, I hope it doesn't run out of battery. It was like at 55, so, you know. Well, it's already 10 seconds, and it's not finished. Well, I'll leave it here. And, I'll come back in 5 minutes, okay? What's up, boys? Are we moving? Oh, now we're on just the Apple logo. Well, that got me worried. Does it do the home button? Oh! It's doing it! Oh my god, that's a small dot. That's a very small dot. As I said, I will come in 5 minutes, so 3 minutes remaining. I'm back. What is my phone doing? Oh no, it's black. Oh my god! It's done! Oh my god, that's in less than 5 minutes. Oh, well, let me enter my PIN code. Oh my god. Your iPhone has been updated to iOS 27. Continue. Terms and conditions. Is it breaking my phone? The battery icon is different. Okay, so new feature showcase liquid ass. I mean, this is just how it has been on iOS 18, but you know, the rounded corners basically, and this is what they showed off at WWDC 25 basically, but it's way more tinted on Mac OS. Let it just be like this. So continue, and welcome. Now it's downloading back all my apps. Oh my god, they changed the plus to this. Oh wow, did you see that lag? Oh, now it's way smoother. Look at the clock. Oh my, Apple. Let's look at the new wallpapers. Oh, I clicked on. iOS 27! Okay, okay, Photoshop full spatial scenes, iOS 27! Go. Oh. Well, it's not kind of loading. Oh, the phone's very hot, also. So, oh, well, another wallpaper just loaded. Oh, so 30, well, no, do not show my face right there. So we got 3 wallpapers, we got this, and we got this. Now, for this video, I'll set it to this bright one, so add pass just appeared. So create pass manually. Oh, so it's basically like a concert or stuff. Okay, but it just doesn't speak. Okay, do we have feedback? That's the... Oh, we don't have the keyboard. Well, that's great. I don't have the keyboard. What? Oh. So the icon for maps is kind of remade. Let me zoom in. Yeah, it's kind of remade. So the App Store. Yeah, you can see it on home. And journal. It's more like liquid glassy. That's great. But let's go to the most probably optimization stuff that we ever seen. Appearance. Look at that. And now instead of selecting tinted or clear, you just have welcome to Apple Park, Cupertino. But I get a notification, bro, from a bank. Shut the hell up. The rainbow, and you can set it to be tinted like this, like it was on iOS 18, but with the bubbles of 26, or clear, which is like just this. They muted it on Mac OS, so... Also, they added reduce motion here, which is interesting. So do we have my keyboard now? Oh, yes we do! Now what did I want to search? I don't know. A very slow app to launch is TikTok on my phone, so let's see. Whoa, that was like 2 seconds faster. I'll see you in the next one. This is the iOS 27 beta, and goodbye.